we are unveiling a number of 3D printing technologies that we'd like to share with the Plexal communities. Our goal is to take people on their 3D printing journey. I love the fact that 3D printing allows you to create both beautiful and technical objects. It joins a highly technical thing with things that can be highly artistic.
It's all about time to market, and 3D printing gets us there.
The most exciting thing for me is that we don't quite know its limits yet. There's a 3-meter 3D printing machine over there. There's 3D printing in ceramic and sand and straw. This is just going to become another technique that people are going to be able to use to express themselves.
The thing that everyone's waiting for is to be able to print directly in precious metals, so like gold, platinum, silver. That will be a step change in the way that manufacture in the jewelry industry works worldwide. Having companies like iMakr and other studios popping up around here just makes our life so much easier, because rather than having to ship stuff around the country to get stuff done, we can just literally walk downstairs and make things quicker.